Welcome to another thrilling afternoon of football as we bring you live coverage of the IWL season 2024-25. We are in the heart of India's capital where Hops FC takes on Nita Football Academy in what promises to be a king contest. Hops FC, who beat hot and cold last season, finished 5th in the points table, earned themselves a reputation of being a giant killers as they went on to defeat Kickstart away from home. And this is how they start. Both the teams have got foreign players in their setup. A couple of Thanians for Hops FC side as we get underway here in the heart of India's capital. Zachia lofts that one in the air. Had the likes of Neha, Pooja, Mona. Corner comes in, and on the second attempt, out safely by Preeti Sarkar. It's Gladys now from the left. He's got two green shirts waiting inside the box. The cross comes in, but straight at the goalkeeper this time. Trying for a quick restart with Gifty. Couldn't quite get the clearance right. This finds Manisha. Delightful ball to find Manisha Naik. Couldn't quite provide the finishing touch to it. Stops now. Got a clear numerical advantage in the midfield. But the ball finds Gladys now. Gladys gets it inside the box. Gladys is trying to toe poke it into the far post. It's Gladys. It's a decent ball towards the right. Mamta keeps it in the play, gets the cross in. Nita finally managed to get the clearance. On the turn, is there an elbow involved there? Here goes Kamla Devi, targeting the far post. Preeti Sarkar wobbles in the air and again latches onto it in the second go. Surely want to close it out quite well. Manisha Naik. So that's the end of the first half here at the Ambedkar Stadium. Two evenly matched sides. In the end, nothing tangible coming out from both sides of the pitch. And winning it just back through Menika. Susanna against Gladys. Gladys way too strong to win it back. Gladys from the distance. There's Gladys with a strike. Forces a save out of Sushmita Parida. That was flying in for all money. Makes that run forward. Tudu with a delightful ball. Takes it on the turn. Just wide on that occasion was Gifty. Much better from Nita Football Academy. Struck wide of Preeti Sarkar. A couple of feet towards the other side would have definitely made things a little more interesting. There's Nita FA again. It's gone a bit more central in the last few minutes. He's operated more from the left flank right throughout. Definitely flipped the switch in the last couple of minutes. Nita Football Academy. Here's Pooja on the ball. Makes driving run forward, skittles across. Still Pooja. Leaves it for Gladys. Has got help towards the right. Still got 11 minutes left in the normal time. Just be anybody's game from here on. Gets the ball there, Gifty. Gifty just knocks it in. And Gifty has provided the moment of magic for Nita Football Academy. They kept coming close every now and then in the last few minutes. And the ball finally rolls through and finds its destined spot into the back of the net. Got themselves into positions from where they can affect the game now. The cross comes in. Preeti Sarkar, another wobble. Just towards the left. Plays it down the line, a back flick. Finds Kamla Devi. Priya, beg your pardon. Priya for Gifty. Gifty, can she pull the trigger? Draws in a clearance from Mamta. Hops. They've got 3-4 waiting inside the box. A cross comes in straight at Sushmita Parida in the last couple of minutes. Achia for Hops. Set up. Carried away by the keeper. A header comes in. A massive result for Paromita Sit and Nita Football Academy. And the moment arrived, it was the Ghanaian Gifty. But that's the full-time scoreline here at the Ambedkar Stadium. It's Hops FC 0. Nita Football Academy have got their campaign underway with 3 points in the kitty.